Naglalaro ako ng, hindi ko alam ano tawag dito eh. Sa laro na tayo. Ayan. Laro niya na ba to, guys? Yuck. Wow, nakapollow ako.
Today, he will announce that my daughter is his fiancée anyway.
Motor, sino motor? Ma? Tia.
Si mama. Nakadito ako dito. Nakalasword ako dito. Hari. Aren't you going to step out of my way?
Don't get cocky, Eleanor. You're not the president of Sterling anymore. The only reason I ever respected you was because of my brother.
True, I'm not the Sterling Group's president anymore. But I still am a Sterling. Even if your brother is here today, do you think he'd dare talk to me that way?
Mrs. Sterling, we respect you, of course.
But before you defend Logan, you know what stupid thing he's just done? Whatever he said, my man isn't yours to judge. And you don't think becoming CEO of Bloom Hair Jewelry means you can do whatever you want. You think I led this company for 3 years just because of my last name?
If you want to keep your position, stay away from Logan. Otherwise, getting you blacklisted across the industry won't be hard.
And face reveal band to what eh.
Eleanor, let me remind you,
Wow,
you're no
nakalollipop
longer the
ako.
Sterling heiress.
Wow. Bye
But
guys.
my daughter is about to
Bye.
become